Hi, I'm Jelai. If you're new here, I make videos that I can explore my capabilities to challenge myself.
In-orderan namin.
Huwag mong laruin, madumi yung kamay mo eh. Ha? Masarap ba? Lino ng camera.
Oo.
Tapos akin na yung dalawang yan. Mama, ito na po.
It's for the gram. Uy, yung drinks, Chadrick.
Tingi ako niyo. Masa? Meron. Namayayat kami. Sana all makakakain. Kumain ka na.
Kakainin mo ba to? Kakainin ko.
Wala pa yung food. Hati-hati. Sama.
My take on eating at BOTEJYU is it's really superb, highly recommended, and it's really, really good. My most favorite is the takoyaki because it really has octopus inside. So, when you're in the Philippines or in any other branch outside the Philippines, I highly recommend that you try and eat at BOTEJYU. It's not just Japanese feels, but authentic Japanese food. So again, thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you all in another one. Bye!